Excel worksheet can hold more than 1 million rows of data. In large data collection, it's unlikely that you have the time to move through a worksheet one row at a time to locate the data you want to find. You can locate specific data in an Excel worksheet by using a Find and Replace dialog box, which has two pages, one named Find and the other named Replace. This can be used to search for cells that contains particular values. Using the control on the Find page, identify cell that contains the data you specify. By using the control on the Replace page, you can substitute one value for another. Now let's take a look at the practical example of what I've just said. From the Home tab, look for Find and select them. You can find and replace. Click the Find button to have this. The Find, you can find. Let's look for Morax. Oops. Morax. Click Find Next. We have one here, one there, one here, and you can find all. We have Morax here and James L. Morax. Now, suppose I want to replace Chris with Martins. Select the Replace tab. So find what Chris and then replace it with Martins. Then we have more options here. If you want to add and within the sheet, you want to search the whole by row and look in formulas, lots more. I'm going to hide this now. We can now click the replace or to replace everything here. So it's going to replace this and this. And if you replace, that's for replace all. If you replace this, it's going to replace it one by one. And you can find all, find next, close. Click the replace all. We couldn't find anything to replace. Why? Chris, Chris, replace with find this. Let's find it first. You couldn't find what you are looking for. Click option, command, search. We have Chris. Let's look for Morax and replace it. Oops. So we have I wrote keys here. Let's change this to we have the cheese and let's change it to Chris. Chris. Okay, and replace all. Now we have all done. We made two replacements here. Now if we want to add everything maybe from the mailing list, we have keys here and keys here. We want to change everything here. Even from sheet 9, we want to affect the mailing list. We go to options and sheet for the workbook, then the entire workbook, and look for cheese and change it to Chris. Don't forget that we still have the mailing list here as cheese. Next is to replace we don't want to set any formats or to apply formats to the data. We're going to replace all here, replace all. So we made 4 replacements in all. Now go to your mailing list. We now have Chris, and probably yeah, I'm not sure if we have any of those things here. So we have it here, Chris, and of course Chris. Okay. We have Chris and Chris. So close the Find and Replace dialog box. You can also press Ctrl F on your keyboard to get this done, to pop up the Find and Replace dialog box and replace it. Find, replace. You set your option and click Find all or Replace all.